Hey vaqueros, this is Andre with the University Recreation Outdoor Adventure Department. And today I'm feeling slightly under the weather. So because of that, we'll be making the best chicken noodle soup ever. So I already got started. I started by deboning a chicken and I threw the bones into the oven. And the oven's at 425, I think. Yeah. And we're gonna put it in there for 40 minutes and then we'll see you guys when that's done. I don't have a watch, but whenever that's done, we'll be here. Once your bones are a nice golden color, go ahead and take them out and add them to a nicely sized pot. In addition to the bones, we'll add some garlic, onions, carrots, celery, whatever you have lying around the house really, thyme, sage, etc. We're going to heat this up to a boil for just a few seconds before immediately reducing to a simmer. Alright, now that we got that going, we're going to let it simmer for a couple hours while I go take a much needed nap. So now that that's done simmering, it simmered for a couple hours. Now we're gonna go ahead and strain it. So we're gonna strain out all the vegetables, all the solids, and just we're gonna be left with the liquid, the chicken stock. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and sear the chicken. Remember, we're gonna sear it so that we're not gonna cook it all the way, just the outside. All right, so now that we seared our chicken, we're gonna go ahead and put the stock back into the pot. So let's do that. All right. Then we can add our chicken so that it can cook all the way through. Side note, the stock is pretty concentrated, so you should add some water to even out the flavor. All right, so now we're gonna take out the chicken and start shredding it. So in the meantime, we're gonna throw in our chopped vegetables and pop them in here, the pot. Once your chicken is shredded, you can add it back in and start adding your noodles. All right, so I personally like to cook my noodles separately, but you can go ahead and just dump your noodles into the pot here. But like I said, I'm gonna cook it separately. Once your noodles are cooked, your ultimate chicken noodle soup is done. Trust me, trust me, trust me, the extra work you put in making this soup is well worth it. This will be the best chicken noodle soup you've ever had. Alright guys, well, after all that work, we're finally finished. So, I'm gonna pour myself a nice bowl of chicken noodle soup. The best chicken noodle soup ever. Alright vaqueros, well, that's going to be it for today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, go check out the rest of our videos in our Outdoor Adventure series. This has been Andre with the University Recreation Outdoor Adventure Department. Thanks for watching.